out here. So beautiful out here. I love this kind of year. What is that? I think that's a bear.
I'd be bored.
Yeah, that's definitely got to be a bear. I think I'm gonna get going.
Pretty boy.
It's got to be a bear.
Pretty boy. I see you in your reflective coat. Come out here, come out here. I'm a talking bear. Come here. I'm not gonna eat you, I eat fish.
The flowers are beautiful.
What the hell are you on? There's no flowers.
Ah, bear!
I'm holding a knife. How am I a bear?
Just gotta stay silent.
Play
Play dead.
This isn't Jurassic Park. Whitewash.
I think they lied to me.
Whitewash the bear. Get whitewashed by the bear. See that neck? Oh, so warm, right? Such a warm neck. Oh, how's that back?
It'll disappear.
I'm gonna feed you to my sister, husband, cousin, wife.
Okay, Mr. Bear. Oh, those are some pretty flowers.
What flowers? I don't see flowers.
Those are some pretty flowers.
Where the hell are flowers?
Right there, Mr. Bear.
There's no flowers. I'm looking. There are no flowers.
They're right there, Mr. Bear.
There are no flowers anywhere around here.
Flowers.
It's the middle of winter. Where the hell are you finding flowers?